Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a 6-piece dining room set with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's start with a 1x4 plate for our hall table. I'm going to set down a 1x1 brick on the left hand side, followed by a set of 1x1 headlight bricks. Then I'm going to set down a 1x2 palisade brick, followed by a 1x4 plate. Then I'm going to proceed on with a pair of 1x1 headlight bricks and a 1x1 brick. And I'm going to crown off the top studs with 4 1x2 jumper plates. These are going to be used to attach some accessories. Now let's set down a set of 1x2 flat tiles on the headlight bricks. This is going to simulate some drawer fronts. For the 2 center jumper plates, I'm going to set down a set of golden frogs. You can use anything you wish, just thought this would be kind of cute to throw in the middle. And for some small lamps, I'm going to start with a set of 1x1 round plates or studs with hollow inserts. And then I'm going to shove some 3 stud long sticks inside the studs. And for lamp shades, just a set of 1x1 nose cones. We'll just set those right on there. And for legs, just a pair of 1x1 round bricks. Slide those right in there. This makes a nice little hall table for the dining room. Let's take a 2x2x2 seat. Let's flip it on its side. And I'm going to take a set of studs, place these on top of one another, make 4 of these, and I'm going to place them in all 4 corners of the seat. These are going to make some nice dining room chairs. Now if you have other colors other than yellow, feel free to use those. That's the only colors that I have on hand that is not reddish brown. So I'm going to make 4 of these. For our tabletop, start with a 4x8 plate. I'm going to set down a 2x2 jumper plate right in the center. Then surround that with a pair of 1x2 flat tiles and 2 more 2x2 jumper plates. And on both of these sides, 4 1x4 flat tiles to finish up the tabletop. Now let's flip the tabletop over. Let's take a stick with knob and tube. I'm going to place a stud on the bottom like so. We're going to make 4 of these, and I'm going to shove these in these tubes closest to the corners. These are going to serve as legs for the dining room table. For the candlestick holder, take a 2x2 round plate with center stud. I'm going to set one of these candle holders right on the stud. And I'm going to take one of these round pieces that look like a candle, and I'm going to set a flame inside there. And then I'm going to make 3 of these and set these in the candlestick holder. Let's set our candlestick holder right on the center 2x2 jumper plate. And now we have ourselves a full dining room set with 4 chairs, a dining room table, and a hall table. Here we have Jay the Surfer, and it is scaled so he can sit anywhere he pleases. So set him in the seat, and then he can sit here and wait for his holiday feast to arrive.